Hello, in this video I'll show you how to change the counterlung bladder. For this you're going to need your counterlung, you're going to need a spare bladder, a tool for the necks and a positioning tool. When removing the counterlung you want to take the neck, take the tool, put it on the counterlung neck and then unscrew it. It's easier to unscrew just a bit and then finish it by hand. So you remove the nut, the washer, and then you can softly push through the threading through the counterlung bag. You want to repeat this for this one and this one as well. You want to keep the nuts and the washers in order as well, because when reassembling it, it matters which one goes where. So after you've disassembled the nuts and the washers, you want to turn the counterlung over and unzip this thing right here. Then you want to remove the counterlung by just softly pulling it through. When you take the counterlung out, you want to remove the necks. What you're going to do is push them in to the body of the bladder and then take them, pinch them softly and just pull them out. When reassembling the different necks and the different counterlungs, note which neck goes into which hole. There will be a PDF in the description where you can look at the specifics. So take the first one, put it into the hole, the second one, and the third. When all three are in, take the plastic washers and place them over the necks of the counterlungs. This will protect the counterlung from any damage that could be caused by the nuts and the washers. When you've placed the necks into the counterlungs, you want to take the counterlung bag and put it on the table facing upwards. Then take the counterlung, find the opening, and carefully place the counterlung bladder inside. Care that the washers don't fall off. It's quite hard to place them back on again when it's inside the bag. Align the necks with the holes. And put them in. After the necks are in, take the counterlung and make sure that it's not folded or twisted in any way. It would decrease the volume and possibly cause danger or mishaps. When you're sure it's correct, you can flip it over, tug the remaining bit in, and zip your counterlung up. When you have the counterlung bladder inside of the counterlung sheath, you can start putting the nuts and washers on the necks of the counterlungs. You're going to need to align them using the alignment tool. It has numbers around it. It's like a clock. You're going to take the 12, align it with the dot, and when you're aligning the counterlung, you're going to point towards the top. So in this case, it's 1 pointing towards the top. You're going to take the nut, put it on, and screw it on. After it's finger tight, you're going to take the tool, and you're going to tighten it. Don't over tighten it, you can break the bladder inside, but when you're done, you should not be able to unscrew it using only your fingers. You can repeat this step for the remaining necks on your counterlung.
Thank you for your attention, and if you have any further questions, please consult the user manual or send us a question through email or through Facebook.